Okay, here we are. We're going from Cumbernauld to Glasgow along the motorway. So I'll take you for this journey with me. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's from Straven to Stonehouse, and from where else did I do? Stonehouse to Glasgow. Right, let's see where I'm going first. See which way it is. I'm just leaving the Smiddy. I think it's called the Smiddy. This car's going a bit fast. It's going on the corner. It's okay, right? The Smiddy. Yeah, that's it. The Smiddy Inn. A few roundabouts here. I've got to concentrate and get around. Make sure I go the right way. But that's a Smiddy Inn in Cumbernauld. Is it Cumbernauld? Yeah, it's Cumbernauld. Yesterday's video. As you see, it's not raining now. I was going to say today, but it has been raining. It's just not raining now at this point. So where are you people looking for? Philippines, Thailand, Japan, etc. Don't worry, I'm still doing them videos. I just got to edit them. This one's unedited. They're just filmed my trip, release, upload, a few words on it, a few logos and all that, and released. The other ones are week by week. I'm still releasing them every weekend. Just trying to expand my market. Get in lane, that's a good idea. Get in lane. Right, what lane is it? I think it's this lane. Yeah, get in lane, I don't know what lane it is. Maybe it's not this lane, but nah, it's okay. Yes, so on we're coming up on the right, there's some BP EV chargers. A BP petrol station. I'm going to take a left here. You don't concentrate where you're going here, you can easily take the wrong turn in. Now I've done it loads of times, not took the wrong turn in, I mean the journey. But you still got to concentrate. Especially when people are up your backside, as the usual. It's Friday the 5th of July. Going past the Red Lantern Buffet on our right. It's open 7 days a week, which I don't know why it's advertising that, because all places, food, are open 7 days a week. They know. Or Chinese maybe, I think they shot on a Tuesday, is it? But you don't eat Chinese on a Tuesday, because that's when you get your buy one get one free pizzas on a Tuesday. I don't actually know who would buy a Domino's or whoever else does some pizza any other day apart from a Tuesday. So who's going to pay full price when you get them half price on a Tuesday? Anyway, that's a different story. What's the morning? What's the story? Morning glory. Yeah, they kicked off their concert today. Them two dweebs from Manchester. Nothing wrong with Manchester people. I'm one of myself. Them two robbers, I mean. They kicked off their tour today. Let's see how long it lasts. See if they can do the old tour or they have a fallout before the end of the tour. Let's hope they make one concert. I'm sure they'll manage it. All that money is coming their way. So we're on the M80. Not sure if I said the M8 only, but I'm in the M80. If you want to go to down south, you want to switch over to the inside lane now. Go down the M74. M73, 74. Or you can go A80 to Moodiesburn. back on, just a little, not much, just mainly spray off the other cars. Erskine Bridge is shut between the 11th of July and the 14th of July. That might be useful for people who want to use the bridge between the 11th of July and the 14th of July, which may be me, not too sure. Yeah, so you cut off here for down south, but we're carrying on to Glasgow. This should take about 15 minutes, this journey. Where I wanted to go is shot. Junction 18, Charing Cross is shot. I was going to show you a new way into Glasgow. Junction 18, go off there and show you down Socket Street and all that, but it's shot. Oh dear. So, I have to find another way. Plenty of ways, I just thought I'd show you that way. At least it warned us. Normally, you know, don't warn us. It just normally appears at the shop. So at least we got a warning. Tiredness can kill. Take a break. Well, I've had plenty of sleep today. I'm 10 miles outside Glasgow, 34 miles outside Greenock. Sunny Greenock by the sea, not the sea, the river. Sit behind that lorry, so let's get out here. Safely overtake. Get back in again. M8 West off slip. Closed. Junction 18. I don't want to go there. Looks like I've been taking the Merchant City one off. That way again, but I took it from a different direction actually, this way, this time, so do follow my journey. Thank you for the like I got on my latest video and the 2 likes I got on the video before that. Very grateful. You could comment as well, it help my algorithms. If anybody wants to go China next April, with accommodation included and most meals included and excursions included, with a guide as well. It's I've got 2 spaces at the special rate of $1,700. I'm not sure what that is in pounds, maybe £1,300. I'm not sure, but that's not all inclusive, but inclusive of quite a lot. You can see my socials. If anyone wants to come there, just send me a message at, we can mention online under the video, or you can send me an email at thebaldyvlogger@gmail.com. Also, if anyone wants to sponsor me, my car, when I'm doing the taxi private hire work, which isn't now, when I'm doing that, you can have an ad all over my car. So if anyone wants that, just get in contact with me, the same email as I just gave you, and we'll take it from there. I do a lot of driving, so I'll be seen all over the place. We've got cars sitting in the outside lane for no reason whatsoever. That's what they seem to do all the time. And if I undertake them, that's me breaking the law. But it's their fault. I just don't know why they do it. Puzzles me. Right, this one's coming in now. I think it might be the one in front. We'll go down to 50 here anyway. sitting there as well, like in Egypt. That's the bishoprics that turning. Got a big ASDA there. ASDA, McDonald's, I think B&M. Not sure, can't remember. Yeah, they have got B&M. Yeah. There you go. You can't see it, can you? Because I'm showing the front of the car. It's to my right. You go off to your left, but it's to the right. You go under the bridge. Got a good cafe in that house over there. Last time I went, they had good pizzas. For a while. Talk about COVID times. I was doing Amazon deliveries, that's where I went there last. I don't know the name of this bridge. Maybe it's got no name, but it's a big old looking bridge. Stainless steel by the looks of it. I'm sure it's got a name. If anyone knows the name of that bridge, let me know. Because I want to know. So we'll be joining the M8 soon from the M80. Blockhead, Clantine, down on my left. Works are on the right. Jenny Clayton, Makeup and Hair is on my left. You've got Ford Transit and Heaven's House Show, whatever you call them, the car places as well down here. If you want to get a car which is not a Tesla, which I'm sure some of you will do. Okay, so the gasworks are on the right. I don't know if you can see them. Probably not. Big steel round things. I don't actually know what they're called either. You've got a Swallow Cafe on your left. Well, quite a bit on your left, and they do a good macaroni. I used to go there for macaroni, cheese, and chips when I used to work near there. I used to sneak out my work because I did security and some parking. It was an absolute nightmare. So I used to sneak out sometimes and have a little drive along there and get me McDonald's macaroni with chips, and it was pretty good. There's a Hyundai. Yes, so I'm not going straight on like I was planning to do because that road's shut. So I'll have to come off here. And it's Friday, so Lewis Dunford would say, "Thank beep, it's Friday." You have to listen to that song. It's a great song called The Local. And another good song, if you call Lucy, there's a song called Lucy Sings. Sure, he doesn't need promoting. I need promoting, not him. See if he promoted me, that'd be good. Yes, low emission zone. Here we are, low emission zone. The low emission zone where they put all the traffic lights to stop all the cars at every stop on purpose. So there's lots of emissions. This is where the low emission zone is. I think they're talking about actually doing a charging you to come into the cities pretty soon. Oh, is this guy? I thought he was going to walk on the road then. going to go up to the bus station. Buchanan Street bus station. That's where I'm going, not the bus station at all. And obviously I'm going to start working then, so I'm not going to be filming. You'd have seen this area yesterday in the video, what I did into Glasgow from Stonehouse. I was talking about that bar up there. I think it's a bar in that student accommodation in front of us. I think it is upstairs. I think someone told me that anyway, but I don't think it'll be very busy. I need to stop the car soon and stop the video before I start work. Can't stop the video yet because the phone's way over the other side of the car, so don't actually look at it and just hope it's recording after I press record. And I'm still. Electric MG in front. And stop the video. Hope you enjoyed that video. Keep watching. There'll be more coming up. Thank you and goodbye.